Alright everyone, I'm back with another layout, and this one, I think I already scrapped this picture once, but I printed them, so I'm scrapbooking them. And it's Mateo riding his scooter. I finally got training wheels that fit his bike I bought him last year for Christmas, and he's rode it. It's had the training wheels for about a week, and he stripped the bolt that the training wheels attached to. So now he can't ride it, and there's one training wheel still attached, but he tries, but he likes to get on his bike, then put his feet on the pedal, and then start pedaling. So he still relies on the training wheels to get on his bike and get him started pedaling. So his dad has to fix it. So that card is from an old Project Life add-on kit. My background is basil cardstock, and then my paper layers are all scraps. All scraps. I'm coming to the end of the August kit, which this will be the last layout I do using this kit, because I literally I have embellishments, but no paper. And as you see from my phone, I already kind of put it together with the magnets and then took a picture of how I wanted it to go together, because I couldn't film right then, so I went ahead and figured out how I was going to do it, put it together, because I think Mateo was drawing on my other desk across from me where I set my camera. And this is going to go for embellishments on the bottom. Alright, so clear stickers are Pretty Little Studio Indian Summer. Again, I'm trying to use those up. The puffy word phrases. Are my title is Joyful Moments. I got them all from the Pink Fresh Studio Just a Little Lovely. So let me see here. Let me cancel this. So Joyful Moment is my title, and then I use the words enjoy and grow, as well as the flowers. And those are all from the Pink Fresh Studio Just a Little Lovely phrase stickers sheet. Alright, I'm going to use some puffy floral stickers, and those are Pink Fresh Studio Just a Lovely Day. And Life's Little Pleasures banner sticker is Pink Fresh Studio Just a Little Lovely. And then again, I'm using butterflies that are from Vicky Booten. And of course, Ginger has to come play. Sorry, but there's no stopping her. So I do apologize for the annoying cat she is. She can be. Alright, so I'm going to get down Joyful Moment, then I have one small embarrassment cluster to do within the title with some more clear stickers. She wanted to play with the letter stickers for some reason. I was going to change the placement of that one, but it works. And then I just have this one cluster left. Alright, that pretty much completes my layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.